How to get $50 Home Depot promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now, over here you will find the search box. Type in homedepot.com and search for it. With that, you will land to the official website of Home Depot. Now you can log into your account, select the items that you want to purchase, and while you check out, you will find this section of promo code. Over there, you have to paste the code and you will get discount. Now, where can you find the Home Depot promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Home Depot promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you working promo codes for Home Depot. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open Time Magazine. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. You can see that 25% coupon, 20% coupon, $100 coupon, and many more. If you're interested in any of your coupon and want to use it, all you have to do is click on Show Coupon. Make sure to check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it. And then you can head towards the checkout page where you will find this section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and proceed to checkout. And with that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Make sure to check out these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Home Depot. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.